Hi friends, welcome to this video. The correct statement for the molecule CsI3 is, right? So it contains Cs plus I minus and let us I2 molecule. It is a covalent molecule. It contains C plus I3 minus ion. It contains C3 plus and I minus ion. So this is the question asked in JEE mains 2014, right? So let me talk about this. So this CsI3, cesium I3, right? So cesium belongs to group 1. Sorry, yeah, group 1. Group 1 means alkali metals. Alkali metals. Alkali metals, since its size is cesium, as we go down the group size increases, right? So its sizes will be more and it forms most of the ionic compounds. It forms ionic compounds. So here they have given in option B, it form covalent molecule. So this is the wrong option, right? So this is the wrong option. So it forms what? Ionic compounds, because it belongs to alkali metals and size is also big, it forms ionic compounds. If size is small, we can see some exceptions, as in Fuzzen's rule. There we can talk about covalent compound, but here it forms ionic compounds, right? And the thing is, see, this cesium plus is there, so I3 minus is there. So I3 minus can exist like this also. They have told I minus, which occupies the I2 molecule lattice, right? So this is the wrong option. It doesn't. I3 molecule exists like I3 minus only. So option A is also wrong. So option C is correct. Option D is also wrong. Why option D? Because cesium belongs to group 1. It can't form, only it forms +1 oxidation state. It can't form +2 nor +3. So option D is wrong, right? So option C is the correct option. So this cesium I3 exists like this: cesium plus and I3 minus, right? So this I3 minus, it about this they have asked so many times in JEE. What they asked? They asked the shape, or sometimes they ask the geometry, or sometimes they ask the hybridization of this I3 minus, and also they will ask about I3 plus also. Both they have different shape geometry, right? So you have to check it, I3 minus I3. So because this is one of the important questions for JEE. They ask about I3 minus I3 plus molecule, right? So for this question the correct option is C. I request you to look into this I3 minus structure, I3 plus structure, its shape, geometry and hybridization. If you won't get it, please comment below, let me talk about it. Thank you.